Hey everybody, my name's Atomic, and I'm here going to show you the Dyson Sphere program. So I just recently seen this game, and it looks very interesting. I guess we're building these giant Dyson spheres around suns to kind of draw power, from my understanding of the game. So we're going to jump on in and see what it's about. Okay, tons of different star types. Looks like we can change to starting with 32 to 64, and then edit how many resources are on each planet in each system. I don't know. I guess we'll kind of keep it. Okay. We can do random systems even. Well, we'll just we'll get a long one. Yeah, I like these weird parts that jump out here. So we're gonna go ahead and start with this and see where it goes.
Welcome to the actual universe. You may find it's different from our homeland. Should you be able to adapt to the laws of physics in a short time, I am your advisor and will help you through this mission. Everything here is yours. As one of Cosmo and the pioneer of the Dyson Sphere program, you will explore this cluster step by step. By using the resources here to construct the Dyson Sphere to provide energy for the center brain to maintain homeland, starting from scratch. I have chosen a designated planet for you to start the mission, which has necessary resources for initial development. Now please drive the space capsule to the planet.
Okay, it looks like I'm kind of in it. Oh, I'm fully piloting this thing. This was the one he wanted, right? I mean, that looks like a giant gas giant, so I'm assuming the one that looks, same characteristics as Earth, I'm assuming.
Now you are about to reach the designated planet.
Oh, I lost control. Hi. Beautiful planet. Not much of an atmosphere to break through, but Oh.
This is Icarus, a lightweight
there I
industrial
am.
mecha with powerful functionality. You can use the arrow keys or right-click on the destination to control its movement. In this mission, you will manipulate Icarus to travel beyond the stars and create miracles.
I'm like a transformer. Okay.
Now try to recycle the space capsule. Right-click on it to recycle.
Well, how am I supposed to get out of here? I mean, I see I got some boosters, but besides jumping like 20 stories, ain't gonna do a whole lot. Oh, there you go.
You can use the same operation to collect resources, such as trees, gravel, etc.
We'll
In the
slow
meantime,
down.
hold down Shift and right-click to give a series of commands. You receive several items after recycling the space capsule. Click the inventory button in the lower right corner of the screen to open the cabin to view them.
Okay, so there you go. He's ready to do those. So I'm doing that. Okay. Hydrogen fuel rods, iron ingots, magnets, copper ingots, as well as iron ore.
You can hold down mouse middle button drag to rotate the angle of view, or slide the mouse wheel to zoom in and out.
Well, perfect. Now he's doing his own, so I'm like a transformer, a dude in a mech of some sort. I mean, these trees make it seem like he's big, but not as big as the planet's suggesting. Or this is a really
You
small
have not
planet.
unlocked the construction menu, which will be done automatically when complete any technology research. Click the technology tree button at the bottom right of the screen to open the technology tree and activate a research.
Here we go. Electromagnetism. Magnetism wiring. With a deeper understanding, machines can be created for acquiring and using electrical energy with high efficiency. Okay. So I don't have those. Interesting. So I'm not going to read through these, but anybody that wants to, you know, pause it and read on through, they can. It's just the same stuff. Are you still there? Go away. Yep. Okay, so let's... Oh good, the trees are actually small. Cut some of them down. So how do I... Get working on some stuff there. Get some of that stone too. Okay. A replicator. Oh, see, there we go. So I need 10 of those. So let's produce those. Well, I'm about to have a bunch of them, but that's okay. I could probably use them for some form of crafting. Oh, there we go. I was able to cancel right when I got 10. So you can save those resources for a different time. Okay, you, while I'm doing stuff, you go ahead and you get some more of that. I've unlocked a new automatic mining machine, which will automatically collect ores. Of course, its capacity is limited. You may wish to transport these materials to a smelting facility automatically. Okay. I see you flashing up here.
You have created a mining machine to achieve ore collecting automation. Pick it up from the inventory, or select it on Gathering of Construction menu to build it. Energy is required in all mecha activities. If it is depleted, the activities will be restricted. You can click the mecha panel button at the bottom right of the screen to open the mecha panel and resupply fuel into the fuel chamber. You can use the R key to rotate the mining machine for covering more veins. The more veins covered, the faster the ores will be gathered. If you want to ignore grid snapping, try holding down the shift key.
Okay, that looks to be the best spot there.
One of your production facilities is not powered. You need to keep it within the power coverage area and supply it with power facilities in order to maintain its normal works.
So, wind in real life is pretty strong by the beach, so that would be best
Wind
there.
turbine. You have established your first power grid. Not all power facilities has its power supply area. Use the Tesla Tower to extend the area of the power grid. You have done building the first power transmission facility, Tesla Tower. It can carry out short-distance wireless power transmission and expand the power supply area of the power grid. Click on it to view the current power grid information.
So I'm just outside of range there. That's okay, because you know what? I think I know how to do things. Nope, not technology. I think I know how to do things, and then I don't. Okay, so I messed up there and placed it in a very bad spot. So I need to bring it closer to my Tesla facility. or my Tesla thing closer to the facility. So we are good there. So yeah, now he is getting a bunch, 107.1 a minute. So we'll have tons there. That works. So I use pretty much all my trees gathering or getting energy back from me. So I'm gonna bring down some more, clear some space here. Let's kind of take a look at there next to the. Oh, so we can get a smelter. If we have those. I unfortunately do not have circuit boards yet. Do I? I don't think I do. No, alright. Okay, so yeah, there we go. It can only hold 50 at a time. Well, that's pretty insane. That makes short work of my stuff. Alright, so I'm kind of just gathering items, letting my thing do its job. As you see, I accepted one here. However, I do not have the correct circuit boards to do so. But it looks like I can make them here in a second. So we are gonna see. So I don't have any more copper plates actually, so I need to learn how to make copper plates. So here we are. So I need to find copper ore of some sort to be able to do that. Okay. Well, I'm gonna go. Look at that. That's done again. A little hop I can do. I'm getting going. So I'm gonna take a walk around and see if by chance we can come across copper. So this looks all like stone. Some good stuff. Oh, am I not allowed in the water? More importantly, I can fly around at an insanely decrease of my power there, so I don't recommend that for at least right now. I can consume trees, crude oil, so that's something to keep in mind. That looks like it might be copper. Okay. So my vehicle is just not happy. My mecha is not happy about running out of fuel here. So I'm gonna sit here and gather quite a bit. Oh, I don't kill my mecha at the same time. So with the burning of trees, I can mine and have just enough to still slowly increase until my fuel completely burns. It looks like I have a little while before that's gonna happen. So then can I craft at the same time while doing this? Go ahead and produce 10 of those, because I only have 10. So yeah, make a bunch more of those. I got more than enough materials to do that. And then make my stone into something too, because I'll probably be able to use that. Okay, I think that's enough for the materials right now. Do I have a map? I do. So this is like where my main facility is.
You can hold down the middle mouse button, drag, rotate the angle of view, and hold down the right mouse button. Drag to roll the angle of view. Press N key to point to the front to the North Pole. In the planet view mode, slide the mouse wheel to enter the star map mode.
Oh, whoa, okay. Look at that. So, I'm basically on a moon of this planet. It looks like there's other places I could go. Drive engine 2, so I can get there. And get whatever... Oh, how do I... Jump out of the star map, okay. So... Oh, don't fly. We don't need to fly right now. So my facility... You could really zoom out. That's actually pretty nice. Can't really see where you're going. Yeah, my facility's like way over here. Yeah, see, there's my wind turbine. So I cover some ground. May not seem like it, but boy do I. So I am still, so real quick before I do anything else, I need to cut down some forests. My mech suit's not even close to half, and it's he's not having too good of a time. I bet you there's a closer deposit as well. There's one way over there. Might be a tad bit closer. Just off of the horizon. So, I'll take this so that way that can keep producing. So now I have only 10 of the raw materials there, but that's only because I was lacking some. So now I should be able to make a bunch more. Kind of get close to cutting it in half there. More importantly, this now makes it to where I can craft these. So it takes 2 and 1. And I need 10 for this specific deal. So that'll make 20, which will give me some so I can also build some more machines. And get something to where if I ever need copper, I can go get, 50-something copper every time. Yeah, I know. Your energy. Gosh, I'm starting to sound like a middle-aged man. Alright. Let's kill the environment. Clear cut some more trees. Why don't we? Oops, I just canceled those. No way I can, replant these. They grow back on their own. To worry about any animals, any civilizations I'm destroying here. But I don't know. I'm a robot. Why should I care? So I'm still destroying that. Can I put more in there? There we go. So that did it automatically as soon as I got it, and apparently I can go right into the next one. So I've unlocked the Matrix Lab, or rather the center brain connector, and we'll use it to upload the matrices to the center brain to obtain technology. Fancy. Okay. So if I stand in this power grid, does it go up some? It does. It goes up a lot, actually. So I should probably stay close to home for a minute. Maybe? So lack of researchables. For a better mecha core. I'm assuming it's because I'm a little low on some things. No? Research progress. Oh, so it's just slowly. I don't have enough core energy, I believe. Alright. So you're maxed out there, so let's go ahead and I can now build a matrix lab. So I need to be within my power grid. We'll build. Oh, I don't want to take away from being able to do that. So we'll build right here. Look at that little dude. Get out of here.
Matrix Lab. You can use it to make super matrices or research technologies that require them to unlock. The super matrices are the source code of the center brain for maintaining the homeworld. You could upload as many super matrices to the center brain as possible. You can be benefit to unlock more actual world technologies by operating the homeworld simultaneously.
So then, this is probably what I want to do. Do I have to... I have to have the supplies, I have to give them to you, I'm assuming. So, I don't have a whole lot of these, so I'm going to make quite a bit of them. Then I'm going to go ahead and then, in turn, make some more of those. Some more of those. Can I add them to here? Yes, I can. And then as soon as these are all done, I'll be able to get some magnets for you as well. Can I take... So I took all of them. Can I split the stack? Yeah. We'll do 5 for now, because some other things I eventually want to build. Buildings, so... I could go and build another one for the copper towers. I think I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna produce one. Oop, it's gonna be a minute. That's okay. So at that time, I'm now full power. Oops. I'm gonna take a nice little jaunt over to this other one and kind of compare it. What is this? Is that just stone as well? Or is that like sandstone? I got some silicone from there. Yeah, see, of course, there's a really, really close copper one. And I just happen to have to go to the other side of the planet. Because, you know, I like detours. That's all I'm about. So, well, now I'm here, and, yeah. So, I kind of find the building a little bit more important right now. So I'm gonna make this guy. Okay, cool. He's made. Let's get you placed. Right there. That's a good spot. But now, I need to build one of them. Otherwise, I won't be able to do anything. So, because you won't have power. Probably just do this and go plug them straight in. That'll do. So now I have one set me good there. I'm probably going to do one for stone. Oops, I'm sorry. Wrong one. We're going to do one for stone as well. So I'm going to make that real quick. So with that being said, I don't think I'll need another one of those. I'm pretty sure if I just... Oops. Oh, there's a rock back there. Well, hold on. So, let's get rid of this guy since he's holding me back. Now with that gone, let's try again. I feel like it's as many as I should be able to get. I'll say that's pretty good right there. That'll also make it to where my Tesla coils, my Tesla towers, or whatever they are, I keep calling them Tesla coils, should be able to do... I'm going to do this. I'm going to do one of these, and then one of these. That way the grid expands enough to where I could also do stuff here. So now I got stone and iron all in production. Not too terribly far. I'm going to go back to, so I have a bunch of these. However, this takes 2 of them. $40 of those. And then I can go and actually grab some more of this copper. Yeah, look at that. This is just so much copper, I ain't got to worry about it. I got this oil seam here too. To be honest, If there was another iron source close by, this might even be a better spot to go to, but I think that one over there is the closest. What are you complaining about? Are you just consuming power? Oh, is there not enough? There might not be enough. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna make another wind turbine. I'll make 2 more. So that way I can kind of, because I don't believe this is producing enough power. So if I too close to another wind turbine, well, that doesn't make a lot of sense. If I keep it within range, keep them all within range of each other and in line, then you look at the little robot dude. He's cool. He's just running around doing stuff. That should be more than enough. Matrix Lab introduction. Greatly increase research speed. Okay, so I need more. That's what I was doing the magnets for. So I'm gonna go ahead. I'll let these guys do their deal for another one. I'm gonna jump on over and go back over to my place. While I'm walking, I'm gonna get some more circuit boards crafting. Look at that, it'll automatically craft stuff. That's nice. Makes it nice and fluid. So now I got 5. So I'm gonna go ahead and take 5 there, and we'll see what happens. One of 5 basic source codes that keep Central Brain simulating. Right on. Insufficient power supply. Yeah, you know, that seems kind of fair, given the fact that I just kind of upped the other power supply over there a little bit better. Let's give you guys... Let's put 2 more over here as well, because I could probably get away with extending the stuff here. So I'm going to let that go while doing that. Clear cut some more trees. My power supply is going down pretty low. What if I can go get oil? No, can't cancel everything else you're doing. Get some oil. Can I not? So I, as my mecha itself, I can't do anything with that. Which would have been nice, because if I can get some crude oil, maybe that would burn faster than, burn better, more efficiently than plants or trees. Yeah, look at you, buddy. Get you some stuff burning. Keep your power up. That being said, I now have 2 more wind turbines, which is good. So I can kind of set up. So if I do, oops, I'm sorry, wrong button. I'm gonna keep them here on the beach for this one to kind of save myself some space. That should then tie them all together. We're good to go. Now what do you have to say about all power consumption? Lack of material. Yeah, okay, that's fair. So, cannot many put these items in here. So is this? Okay. Now I have those. Seems perfect for me. What do we got? Improve the mecha core and increase upper limit of mecha core energy. Research consumption. Use inventory items. Why does it not be? Oh, I need 10 of those for that one. Unable to view veins. Okay. So I definitely need to make more of you. Well, not that many, I'd say. Let's go ahead and do. So I got 5. Take 10 of each and slap them bad boys in there. Yeah. Do that. That should give me. Yeah, it should give me what I need there. But until then, I need to finish this other thing I'm got going. So let's go ahead and produce 20 more of those. We'll do 40 of each actually. We'll do that. Some gears, man. So once that produces, then this should be more than enough to actually get going. And that should have more fuel efficiency. There we go. And then I want to do this one here because those first step on the planet and first step toward universe exploration. Everything is strange and fascinating. This gives me the ability to view vein distribution on the planet. Look at there's a lot of even these, like just so much. Sweet. Ray transmission efficiency. Logistic carrier capacity. Yeah, there's drive engines, communication control. And even then, the technologies are expansive as well. Miniature particle collider. Wow, that's way out of my knowledge base. Inversion mechanism, controlled annihilation reaction, straight up artificial star. Whoa. Well, I know I can build one component. Maybe not that much. Mission complete. Get the universe matrix and autosaving. Thank you for that. Alright, so did we start that research? I don't think it did. Mecha core. Ooh. Okay, well, let's get. I have this stuff for this, so let's go that one because that's 200 of them. More core efficiency. This here, electric motors, inventory capacity. I don't even know how to do those. Communication control. Oh, right. I only had 5 of them. It's okay. I got more. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't fret. There we go. That should keep him happy. Okay. So I got a lot of my inventory. So I've made you kind of just sitting on what I have here. Let's see what I get for this one. I can now view the vein distribution on the planet and easily find the locations of different ore veins.
You have unlocked the universe exploration. Now you can click the details display button in the lower right corner of the screen to open real-time distribution details of the ore veins.
Oh, okay. So I can even see my power, space navigation, guided lighting. There we go. Okay, so yeah. So then, I'm sorry. So then it'll even be there. So that'll help me find things as well. There's more iron ore. It tells me how many more there are too. How many more there are as well. So I got 23 coal veins, which is interesting. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually jump on over to these coal. I thought that was just stone. Like just interesting stone. I guess I didn't exactly look at it. Well, I would say I know what I'm mining next, but I'm actually going to. I'm gonna make a few of these, so that way I can just start squared away. There's my wind turbine, so we'll have power along the beach here as well. And I got the other one, still too close. Right there will do. I'll go right here. And then I should be having my building. Oh, it's already up here. Perfect. Look at the little drone. He's so cool. See ya. Alright. So now, yeah. So we got more coal veins over there. I think that's kind of it, what I got, besides the crude oil seep. But I don't know if this will actually... I don't know if they will make, or they can consume. Interesting. So, no honest clue there. It's only kind of worth of a shot. But now I got some of these. I believe that symbol is actually in my research, so... Now that we have that... Oh, look at you, way down here. I don't have the energy matrix yet, so... Drive engine. Oh, that's possible. Double press space to lift off, and Mecha will increase the move speed by 150% in low altitude flight. Flying will consume a lot of energy. That's... Graphite. Communication control. Interesting. So I think the only one I can actually get would technically be the drive engine. So I'm gonna go ahead and activate that. I know you can be mad at me all you want. That'll be the easiest thing to have right here. Go ahead and craft a bunch more of these. So I need, what, 60? So that should do it. It's gonna be a minute. 120 seconds. Good solid 2 minutes, but in that time I should have this. Well, let's take some rounds, and I think since I have such a large queue, I'm gonna go ahead and produce just about the max of what I can of those, because I feel like we use those plates a lot. Really get those. And then grab my copper productions over here. It even tells you exactly how many units, so 1,000,003 units. My stone actually doesn't have a whole lot, but I don't know if I use stone for much anyway. So this is oil seep. These say veins. These say it needs production for veins specifically. So coal, some iron. I'm not seeing much, at least here, for the aspect of graphite for that one. I need conveyor belts. I need some logistics here. So do we have anything for logistics? Inventory capacity? +1 lines, inventory capacity. So I just make sure I can carry more. And the technology, I know, had a whole section. Oh, here we go. I forgot I can do stuff here too. So metallurgy, I can get that. Basic logistics system. That's what I want. So I'm gonna put that next in line, and then after that, process primary items into more advanced, slightly slower speed. So, okay, interesting. So I'm gonna actually probably queue this up after the fact, and then this one. So I got a few things sitting pretty and ready to go. But once I get those logistic lines, I want to be able to get them all on a conveyor belt and kind of like meet me halfway, so to speak, if possible. And get kind of everything to probably, if anything, converge up to this little cove here. Maybe, or at least just have everything come over this way. Just that way it's not like because I'm wasting a lot of time jumping around from this piece to that part over there, and then over there. Everything's unfortunately a little spread out. If you like kind of time-consuming games, it's definitely going to be good for that reason. So I'm kind of just waiting for that there. This should be able to let me take flight, be able to zoom around a little bit. At the cost of power, who knows how well that will be. Beautiful game, though. Beautiful game. I love the idea of just being able to just hop off this planet and go to another one, farm for more resources, and then eventually get to where I have like, yeah. All right, let's see it. Oh.
You have received the ability to fly. Double-click the space key to lift off, and then use the arrow keys to control mecha movement. The moving speed will increase by 150%, with more energy consumed under flight mode. Pressing the Alt key can return the mecha to the ground during the flight.
Nice and all. Doesn't use as much power as I expected, but I don't feel like he goes as fast. But that's alright. So, okay, I don't have enough cogs. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and we're going to leave this one here. I'm going to get a conveyor belt system going. And then we will go from there. I'm off. It's a plane. It's me. Alright. And drop back down. I just wish he flew a little faster. That's a little bit faster. It's kind of like, you know, putting sprint into a game. From walking to... Oh, I am dead. Okay, yeah, now I can't even complain with how slow he's going now. It was nothing. And I slackened myself here. I didn't keep deforesting stuff. Anyway, thank you all for hanging out. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.